surprise attack now. And this is how street fights usually start off, unfortunately. So Brittany and I are facing each other. Now, one of the things that happens, and this is if you don't like the situation, you know it's going to get aggressive, and you need to do something about it. That's it. This is the street groin kick. There's a lot of difference between this and your traditional, we're going to figure out technical ways of doing this, where people chamber. I don't want any chamber. Straight up, if I have to, out. But this is how street fights start. Somebody's here, haymaker. But if we sense danger, we know there's going to be danger, we're squared up, no chamber, and I want to arch my hip forward a little bit, right there. That is a surprise groin kick, and I really wanted it to be a surprise. That's why I didn't tell Brittany what move we were doing.